Before you buy leather car seat covers, there's one thing no product page tells you. Most look great online but slide around, trap heat, or fall apart after a few months. But the real difference isn't in the photos. It's in how they actually feel, fit, and hold up over time. Let's fix that today. Product number 1: Skechers Memory Foam Seat Covers. First up, the Skechers Men's Memory Foam Seat Covers. You've probably seen the brand on shoes, but here they're bringing that comfort to your car. Priced at $50.30, this is one of the more affordable options on the list, and it's already pulled in over 3,000 sales last month. What caught my eye was the combo of memory foam leather and air-cool mesh. Sounds like a dream for long drives. If you want plush comfort without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Skechers Memory Foam TM actually contours to your body, which means less lower back fatigue on road trips or daily commutes. The air-cool mesh layer helps with breathability, something most faux leather covers completely ignore. And even though it's universal fit, it's designed to work with front airbags, so safety isn't compromised. The material feels soft but durable, and the black-on-black design blends into almost any interior. Now, some people complained about the fit being a bit loose on wider seats, especially in trucks. Here's the thing though, if your seats aren't extremely wide or heavily contoured, the elastic straps and adjustable design do a decent job of staying put. It's not perfect, but for under $55, it's a solid trade-off. Just don't expect a custom-tailored look. This is perfect for you if you drive a sedan or compact SUV and want extra cushioning without spending a fortune. Skip this one if you have very large bucket seats or need full rear coverage. For the price, it delivers surprising comfort and decent protection. Product number 2: Elantrip Waterproof Leather Covers. Now, if the Skechers covers left you wanting more durability, this next one takes a completely different approach. The Elantrip 2PC's front car seat covers go for $59.20 and focus heavily on protection. Over 1,000 sold in the past month, and it's easy to see why. Waterproof faux leather, diamond quilted design, and a heated feature. That's a rare combo at this price. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you've got kids, pets, or you're just clumsy with coffee, the waterproof layer is a lifesaver. Spills wipe off in seconds, and the material resists scratches from pet claws or sharp objects. The hidden straps ensure airbags deploy properly, which is non-negotiable for safety. Plus, the elastic fit works on most models from 2002 to 2024, Camry, CR-V, F-150, you name it. Now, some people complain the heated function doesn't get very warm, more like a gentle warmth. Here's the thing though, if you're in a mild climate or just want a little extra coziness on chilly mornings, it's still useful. But if you live somewhere freezing, don't rely on this as your main heat source. It's more of a bonus than a feature. This is perfect for you if you want stylish protection with a touch of luxury and don't mind only covering the front seats. Skip this one if you need rear seat coverage or expect strong heating. For under $60, it's a smart buy for active lifestyles. Product number 3: Coverado Full Set Leather Covers. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better if you want full interior transformation. The Coverado Full Set jumps to $217.47. Yes, it's pricier, but you're getting front and rear coverage, and over 300 buyers clearly thought it was worth it. This isn't just protection, it's a full interior upgrade. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Nappa leather feels premium, soft, breathable, and resistant to fading and dust. The 3D scanned universal fit means it hugs your seats better than most generic covers, and it doesn't block airbags, seat belts, or armrests. The rear seats come in 3 pieces with Velcro, so you can adjust for different split configurations. It's like giving your car a mini makeover without rooflstering. Now, some people complain the installation takes longer than expected, especially the rear seats. Here's the thing though, once it's on, it stays put. The extra time is worth it if you want a clean, factory-like finish. Rushing it leads to wrinkles and gaps, so patience pays off. This is perfect for you if you drive an older car with worn seats and want a high-end look without the cost of real leather. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget or only need front seat protection. For a full set, it's one of the best value luxury options out there. Product number 4, EKR Custom Fit for Toyota RAV4. Now, if the Coverado's universal fit still feels a bit loose, this next one is built for precision. The EKR Custom Fit seat covers are made specifically for Toyota RAV4 models from 2019 to 2025, priced at $302.47. It's not cheap, but over 300 RAV4 owners have bought it, likely because nothing fits quite like a custom job. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 4-layer construction includes foam padding and a protective coating, so it feels like an OEM upgrade. It's waterproof, breathable, and designed to work seamlessly with seat belts, airbags, and even heated seats. The fit is so tight it looks like it came from the factory. No sagging, no shifting, just clean, tailored coverage. Now, some people complained about the price and limited vehicle compatibility. Here's the thing though, if you drive a RAV4, this is one of the few covers that actually fits like it should. Trying to save money with a universal set often leads to frustration. This is an investment in long-term satisfaction. This is perfect for you if you own a RAV4 and want the closest thing to original leather seats without the dealership cost. Skip this one if you drive a different vehicle or don't want to spend over $300. For RAV4 owners, it's hands down the best fit on the market. Product number 5, BOPUOVRE Full Wrap PU Leather Covers. Finally, if you want full coverage without the premium price, the BOPUOVRE Full Wrap seat covers come in at just $56.62. With over 300 sold, it's a sleeper hit, offering wraparound protection, anti-slip backing, and even a storage pocket. It's simple, effective, and surprisingly well-designed for the price. The triangle quilted pattern adds grip and style, and the full wrap design protects the sides and edges of your seat, which most covers ignore. Plus, the storage pocket on the bottom cushion is perfect for stashing sunglasses or a small towel. It's these little details that make a big difference. Now, some people complain the material feels a bit thin compared to higher-end options. Here's the thing though, for daily use and light protection, it's more than enough. It won't feel like luxury leather, but it's durable, easy to clean, and stays put. For under $60, that's a fair trade. This is perfect for you if you want complete front seat protection with smart design touches and don't need rear coverage. Skip this one if you want premium materials or custom fit. For the price, it's one of the most practical choices out there. So which one's right for you? The Skechers if comfort is your top priority. Elantrip if you need waterproof protection with a heated bonus. Coverado for a full luxury upgrade. EKR if you drive a RAV4 and want perfect fit. And BOPUOVRE if you want smart design on a budget. Each has trade-offs, but all solve real problems. Pick the one that matches your car, your lifestyle, and your wallet.